Hello, in this video I will demonstrate the use of the Toolbox via the Lighting Scene co-created within the Smart Space project. The first lighting scene is from Middelburg. It is MR1.1 Crossing Safely in the Rooseveltlaan. The cluster of this lighting scene is A, because it aims to improve safety for cyclists and pedestrians. And its interaction level is level 2 active, and it falls onto the Smart Ready category. Having looked at the properties of the lighting scenes, we can move to the guidelines, and I'm clicking on Start, and that brings us the user input part. I see an explanation box here which inform the users what to do. It says fill the gray boxes below and then continue to the next page by hitting the next button. First, I'm checking the boxes. In the first box, it asks the purpose of the UX evaluation. Let's assume Middelburg municipality wants to know public opinion on smart lighting system, and they want to monitor the impact of lighting system on the citizens. And the second box asks the interaction level of the system. The interaction level of this lighting scene is level 2 active. And the last box, or the third box, asks the main goal of smart lighting implementation. And for this lighting scenes, it is cluster A, improving safety for all road users. After choosing the answers from these gray boxes, the matching result appears on the right. These results consist of dimensions of user experience research, suitable methods for the specific case, parameters that's needed to be measured, and it also named the category of lighting scene. And there are also some open questions which may help municipalities during the process, but now I will skip them to show the interactive parts. And when I go to the next page, I see the parameters in an elaborated way with sub-parameters, and also the requirements for these sub-parameters, which means if these parameters must be measured, or if it is nice to be measured, or if these parameters, if the sub-parameter is not applicable for this specific case. Then it also suggests a time frame for the measurements. The next step is picking the tools, and in line with the 2 dimensions and 3 evaluation methods, measurement methods, the Toolbox offers several tools for the specific case. In the attitude dimension, the acceptance of light level needs to be measured, and there are 2 options for it, 2 tools for it. Let's check what these options are. T1 Public Opinion Panel is a description card explaining how to conduct a public opinion panel and what are the forms of it. And when we go back to the options, the second option is acceptance survey. Let's have a look at it. And acceptance survey is a survey template, and users can, municipalities or the researcher can enter the results of the input of the survey, and like this, let's say something like this, and the chart will show the results automatically according to the formula defined here. And one more thing, and this formula parts are the main parts are protected. The only editable parts on this worksheet are the boxes colored in gray. And let's check another tool from the other categories. For example, activity mapping from place-centered 3 methods. And activity mapping provides a template for the research, for a researcher or observer to tally the number of the people or the diversity of the activities in a specific place. And for this demo case, these are the options, and it's end of the first case.